Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry if you couldn't hear me in my last video, but this is part 2. You're probably wondering why I'm at the mall. My kids lost all their clothes for some reason, so let's just grab the bag over here. And guys, I'm sorry if you hear that noise in the background, just ignore that. Okay, let's walk over here and let's get every single clothes that they have. Maybe we can find some hats or something for my boyfriend. We will get him this hat. Oh no, it looks like it doesn't fit. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to wear the hat. Maybe this koala hat will fit. One sec, I need to call my friends over here so they can take it over to my friends. Well, to my boyfriend's house, real quick. Hey, hi, can you please take this hat to my boyfriend's house? Yeah, no problem. Okay, meet you to my house. Bye, guys. Mommy's home! Yay! Who are you? Daddy, Mommy's cheating! Honey, what do you mean she is not cheating? Because I know she will never do that. But she is. I swear she's cheating. Let me go see. Oh, what's up? Here, we got you some hats. For real? Oh my gosh, thank you so much. You're welcome. I'm gonna go now. Okay. So, what did you get? Well, I got some clothes for the kids and stuff like that. Oh, okay. But let's start unpacking. Okay. Start unpacking your guys' stuff. Well, this is all of our toys. I'm gonna go to our room. This is all of our toys. So let's just open up this bag. The bag will open. There! Okay, guys, I'm gonna hang up your clothes, okay? Okay. We only got you 3 clothes because I know we don't need a lot. Ooh, some toys. Let's put... Can you move this box, please? Okay, let's just move this big fat one. Okay. Guys, let's start putting it. I'm gonna be in our room with our dad. Okay, okay, Mommy. Where's brother at? I'm right here. Oh. But I'm gonna start putting our toys down. Okay. Let's see. We got a poop. We got this girl. We got a cupcake. I can only fit that down there. What else do we have? Oh, we have our masks. Where should our mask go? Oh, up here, so we can reach them. Oh, look, this girl. Yay. Let's put that back. Where are we supposed to put this at? It's okay. Another toy can go there. And that toy can go there. Wait. Oh, more clothes. Let's hang them up. What are we supposed to do with this guy? Let's just move that over and move that one over. Okay, here's a boy box for you, Daddy. Okay. Where should our bags go? Right up there. Oh no, right up there. Oh no, right up there. Okay, perfect. Some of these clothes are Mommy's. Oh, look, more bags. Let's grab this bag. Oh, I got a hairbrush. Oh, hairbrush can go there. Whatever that is can go there. Oh, more clothes. Yay. Oh, it looks like my bag is empty as well. Oh, our sunglasses. Honey, what sunglasses are you talking about? These ones. Okay, you guys can have them. Well, you can have them. Okay, thank you, Mommy. You're welcome, honey. I have no room for them. Here you go, Mom. Here's your purse. Don't worry, I'll get you some cute bags. I mean, like, some boxes to put them in. Okay, thank you, Mommy. You're welcome, dear. Let's get this box. And maybe the kids can do better. Let's get them a little bit of a car. Let's get them 2 pairs of cars. And then we need to find this thing and put it where there will be a room. Right there. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. You're welcome. But remember, don't use all the space for only your toys. I understand, Mom. thank you. You're welcome, dear. Look, your glasses can go inside of it. Oh, yay! Here, you guys can move. Your hairbrush can go on top. Thank you. You're welcome, dear. Okay, what else do we have in here? Oh, we have a pillow, but we don't need the pillows. Oh, Mommy, here's your phone. Oh, thank you, dear. I'm gonna start unpacking my stuff. Okay. My shirts can go up there. Let's just start hanging up everything. Okay, so far, what? That should not be for me. Here you go, honey. This is yours. Okay, I'll hang it up. Does that one look good on me? Yeah, that one does. Everything looks good on me, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Does that? Definitely not. This is for a girl. Honey, this is for you too. Okay. Some of your clothes are in here too. Okay. Here you go. Oh, wait, more toys. I don't know what I'm supposed to put these. Oh, I have too much toys. Oh, too many toys. More clothes. A kitty, yay! I'm a cat. Let's just start hanging up more of our clothes. And folding them and stuff like that. This is mine. This is yours. Oh, we have more bags. A hat can go up top. My hat can go right there. This can also get hanged up. Guys, you have more toys. But Mommy, I'm running out of space already. Dear, remember you have our top of it, but we already used all the space. I might find something, okay? Okay, Mommy and Daddy. Just take all of your toys off of that thing. Okay, Mom. Here. I might change this up a little bit. No shelves. Let's get this one and pop it right there. There you go, dear. Thank you, Mommy. Yay, and more space for toys. Yep. And our sunglasses fit. So fit. Wait, why do we have a lamp, Mommy? Oh, that goes under stands. Oh, thanks. Okay. Here you go, boy. We have some sunglasses right there. Okay. What else is in here that's for us? Oh, this is your key for our new house. Oh, thank you, dear. You're welcome, Mom. Thing. Ooh, what else is there? More clothes. That's not mine. That's not me either. Oh, why do we have a plant? That plant can go in now. Because that's not ours. And whatever's not ours, can't touch it. So, yeah. Oh, this is ours. Can this go in our backpack? Yeah, I'll put that in our backpack. What else is in here? That's not mine. Oh, that's Daddy's clothes. Let's see. Anything in here? No, just books. I don't like books, honey, but you're gonna have to read some of them. Okay. There's more clothes, and I think we have everything. You guys can play now, okay? If I find something in these boxes that are yours, I'll tell you. Okay. Let's go, brother. But there's still pillows on the floor. I don't know what we can put them on the ground so we can sit on them. Okay. Oh no, it's not supposed to go there. Get off of me! I don't want to hold this. Let's just put that right there and move the pillows right there. Oh, Mommy, there was this thing. Okay, thank you. You're welcome, Mom. Here's some more bookies. Can go there. Okay, you guys can start playing. Oh, my toy. But where is this supposed to go? Just put that on the carpet. Okay. I'll find something where to put these suitcases. Okay. And our bags. Our boxes, we can just throw them away. Yeah. Go play. Wait, I need to go put my hats back. those can go down there. Okay, let's go play, brother. Okay. There's so much things. Can't believe we moved. Yeah. Just put all the boxes that are empty inside the box. Okay. Our phones can go up there. We have a whole bunch of our pillow. Guys, do you have another pink pillow in there? Oh, yeah, Mom. We need that. Oh, okay. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Perfect. Okay. Now there's no more stuff in there. Just start folding these clothes and putting them right there. Okay. Put that right there. Our books can go there. That can also go on top because if we need to water them, go right there. I don't know why I put our phones up there. Our phones cannot go up there. It's too high to reach. Oh no, that does not go inside the boxes. Just put that, and these boxes can go inside this. Well, that's not gonna work. So, okay. It looks like we have everything, so we can start throwing away the boxes, but we can put all the bags up there, like these grocery bags and stuff can go there. Okay, let's just start throwing away. Oh my gosh. Guys, add a garbage can to your kitchen. Go to the bathroom. No. The kitchen? No. The living room? I don't know where the boxes are. I mean, the garbage. So I'm just gonna look through all these real quick to see if I can find a garbage can. Oh, it's right here. Okay, it's in the bathroom. Go over here and put well, you can put the thing anywhere you want to. I'm just gonna add a garbage can right there. There. Now we have a garbage can. Let's just start throwing away all these boxes. Is it working? Yes, it is. Okay. There's this bag that goes there. Okay, guys, so come back for part 3 so I can, show you. Well, I'm joking, guys. Not yet. I'm joking, guys. I'm so sorry to say this, but come back for part 3. If you want to see them, you're probably saying, what? You're already done unpacking. Well, we need to stock up on food and stuff like that. So, yeah, come back for part 3. If you guys did it, well, bye, and have a nice day. Bye, guys.